RUCSO, Oil and Gas Industry Solutions. Elements for assembling and disarming of electrosubmersible pumps, spooler, wheel guide, hoisting equipment, etc. are being used for the last 60 years. Today, this is obsolete. Spooler, designed to do the work manually. 380 volts electric locomotion, manual spooling, metal cases for equipment transportation. Unsafe electric system. Frequent defects. 380 volt wiring on unsafe surface. Many times because of squashing of cables. Frequent movement of heavy elements in location. All this turns into a highly unsafe working environment and wasting of time. RUCSO, observing the present and focusing on the future, identifies this out-of-date and tedious process and updates it with innovation and state-of-the-art technology. The design, manufacturing, and setup process of the Easy Assembly equipment takes 180 to 240 days. The entire equipment is mounted on a trailer in which the spoolers are already installed. This equipment is totally autonomous, eliminating high risk of manipulating a 380 volt system, which is replaced for a hydraulic system, therefore resolving problems such as wiring on location, risk of electrocution, frequent defects that demand up to 15 hours to solve. 2 totally automatic spoolers mounted for installation or extraction allows us to make only one maneuver when arriving to location with permanent real-time measurements without stopping installation, thereby avoiding delays of up to half an hour. An elevation system with ramps which prevents unnecessary bending. Not having to mount a wheel guide above the workers is a great innovation. Our fast grip tool is part of the same equipment. It has pneumatic systems available for purging, for manual pneumatic tools, and for cleaning. It is not necessary to have an operator to pulse the spooler command. Only one equipment arrives on location. When finished, everything remains clean without extra maneuvering. Our Easy Assembly introduces an innovative technological advance, giving priority to safety, reducing costs, and supporting the evolution of oil companies. RUCSO, Oil and Gas Industry Solutions. www.rucsosa.com